Hey, welcome back to my channel. We are going to make another diva, and it's going to be quick and easy. The items you will need is a foam board, a diva of course, some bling bling. We're going to use some mesh, and even a couple of this mesh tubing here. And then you're going to need some glue to glue the diva down. And we're going to use a cup of this here and some flowers. Of course, you're going to need your scissors and a hot glue gun. So let's get started. Okay, so what I did, I already glued her down on the board. I'm going to start putting her earrings on and some bling on her items with this, okay? So just gonna measure it here to here, and I'm gonna probably use 3. Don't know what happened to my camera, but I added her earrings and the bling bling on her eyes. Okay, so now we are here. We finished doing her makeup and adding on her earring. And the person who wanted me to do her wreath, she wanted a bigger poof of hair. So I'm going to show you right fast how to do it. So only thing I use here, that's grab, this is about maybe 18 inches here. So you just roll it down like this here, and then you just bring it in towards you. Just bring it in, okay? Let me show you real slow. Bring it in, and at the end we're gonna bring that in. Just bring it in. You're gonna get like a bow, okay? It looks like a bow. You just put it right here and tie it up, okay? So, and I also added a little of this in here, okay? So I'm gonna poke some holes in here, but I'm gonna show you how the hair looks. This is how the hair is looking. This is how full she would like it to be. And what I did, I just outlined here, right here. See? Just outline it. And I'm going to place it right there. Okay? I wanted to show you how the back of the Diva look, and of course this is the hook to hang it with, and I just attached them to both loops just for security, and you just hot glue whatever one you want. You could use a rope, you could use anything that you want to use that's kind of doable, okay? And that's hot glue it, or you could stick it through the back of the head before you attach the hair and tie it up. So it's different ways that you could do it, but this is how I did this one. Okay, I just made a double secure on the back of the Diva, and of course this is the hook I'm using, where my customer will be using. Thank you. So I hung her up so you can see her. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, thumbs up the live, comment below. See you later.